The Quran as it explains itself.
قرآن अपनी तफसीर आप करता है. قرآن अपनी तफसीर आप करता है.
القرآن الكريم كما يفسر نفسه.
By this similitude thus he his law of guidance lets go astray many and shows the lighted road to many. But he never lets go astray any but those who drift away from reason. Men and women of reason know that abstract phenomena are frequently best understood in the form of examples, metaphors, and allegories. Faasiqoon. Singular, Faasiq. Equals those who drift away. Equals who slip out of discipline. Equals those who cross the bounds of what is right. Equals fruit whose seed slips out. Equals egg yolk that drops out of its shell. Equals one who transgresses divine laws and thus becomes vulnerable to desires and extrinsic challenge. See verses 3:81-82, 5:3, 5:47, 5:108, 6:121, 7:102, 9:24, 9:80, 24:4, 24:55, 59:19. Al-Baqarah, 2:27. Just as there is one creator, likewise mankind is but one community. Those who break this ratified bond of God and cut asunder the unity of mankind that God has commanded them to uphold, and thus lay the foundation of chaos on earth, those will be the losers in the long run. See verses 9:33-34, 9:111, 10:19, 13:20-24, 31:28, 83:6, 114:1. Al-Baqarah, 2:28. Think. How can you disbelieve in God knowing that He is the one who gave you life when you were lifeless? Then He will cause you to die and bring you back to life again. And then, all of you will return to Him. See verses 37:58, 40:11, 44:56, 76:1. Al-Baqarah, 2:29. He is the one who has created for you whatever is on earth, all of it. And He has applied His design to the sky and fashioned it in several ascending heights. He is the supreme knower of what all things are destined to be. The subject of 7 ascending heights is still under scientific investigation, but many astrophysicists already believe in it. See verses 11:7, 53:31, 57:1-2. Saba indicates 7 or several. Thinking of the Earth's atmosphere, it contains 7 layers. The troposphere, stratosphere, ozone layer, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, and the exosphere. This has been only discovered in the last century. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes the importance of scientific observation and intellectual inquiry. See verses 3:191, 7:185, 1736, 88:17-21. Al-Baqarah, 230. Page number 12.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences.